Dear learners, today we'll be learning about Fact File. Fact File is a collection of information giving and seeking about a particular subject or product in a clear and concise format. A fact file is a form of informative writing. It is written for a specific purpose and presented in point form, but only the stated facts without unnecessary usage of words. A fact file is a functionally communicative expression and is therefore always scoring. It can be of people, of birds, etc. In biology, you study botanical names, zoological nomenclature, and also certain important traits. Characteristics of the flowers, plants, birds, and animals. You also learn about their habitat, eating habits, colors of the flowers, flowering seasons, weather requirements. All these details are part of a fact file. A fact file can be written on any subject: animals, flowers, recipes, ingredients, spices, films, dramas. Special vocabulary for fact file. A. Word register. Example: culinary vocabulary, transport vocabulary, hotel vocabulary, geographical terminology, traveling vocabulary. Example: AC sleeper buses, kilometers motorable roads, NH national highways, etc. B. Sightseeing words: backwaters, sailing, water sports, zoo, sanctuary, shopping space, tribal arts, museums, folklore, music, dances. C. Climate and clothing: summer, winter, woolen, thermal, light cotton, cool cotton, trekking shoes. Remember, generally, this question can be asked in two ways. 1. A paragraph is given and you are asked to put it into the format of a fact file or tourist leaflet. 2. You are given an option to write a fact file on a place of your choice. 3. For fact files on specific persons, matter will be given. How to write a fact file? Know the points, subtitles, present only facts. Do not add anything more than what is given. Be specific, simple. Use reader-friendly language. The block is important. Use only subtitles of which you can write. Prepare well because this is a scoring question. A fact file facilitates the grasping of information easier and is time-saving as one gets to know most of the important points related to a place, person at a glance. Points to be remembered while writing a fact file. Do specify the location to visit, its approximate distance from important places, cities, various modes of transport to reach, its uniqueness, special characteristics, best time of the year to visit, accommodation, use resorts, budget hotels, motels, rest house, etc. What to eat, references to cuisine, what to see, its importance in context of history, science, religion, anything special. Fact file for personalities should specify the following details: name of the personality, education and professional qualification, special attainments, work, social, religious, education, reformer, revolutionary, sportsman, achievements, prizes, awards, recognition, state, country, nationality, mission statement, books, articles written, name 2 to 3 that are well known, what to learn from him or her. Hope this lesson on Fact File was of help to all of you.